Dear students, welcome to the video class of class 12th. This is the last video of the continuity. In previous video, I have already discussed the fundamentals of limits, definition and meaning of the continuity, and different types of problems based on continuity. The last class, that is class 5, video lecture 5 is only problem. This is only problem class. Let's discuss problem based on continuity of f of x and of different types. Now question: show that f of x, show that the function f of x is equal to, show that the function f of x is equal to, question from Elements book, show that the function f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x if x is rational, right, minus x if x is irrational, is continuous at x is equal to 0 and discontinuous at for all x not equal to 0. Solution: f of x is equal to, given f of x is equal to x if x is rational, minus x if x is irrational. Now at x is equal to 0, so what is limit LHL? LHL is equal to limit x tends to, LHL equal to limit x tends to, this is 0 minus, LHL equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, right. Here f of 0 is equal to what? Rational. F of 0 equal to 0, so LHL equal to, this is LHL equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means limit x tends to 0, f of 0 minus h, right. 0 minus h may be rational or irrational. 0 minus h may be, here 0 minus h is rational, right. 0 minus something means 0 minus h may be rational or irrational. That is for here 0 minus h may be rational or irrational. Clear? So the answer is what? For both cases, this is equal to, suppose this is equal to what? 0. Here x 0 minus f of x is equal to what? We can write this is equal to, we can write limit x tends to 0 minus, suppose it is plus x f of x 0 f of x plus or minus x plus x, clearly you can write here limit x tends to 0 minus, if 0 minus x is rational number, this is x, if x 0 minus, if 0 minus is rational, so answer is 0. Similarly, or limit x tends to 0 minus x, which is 0 if 0 minus is irrational. So left hand limit is equal to what? LHL equal to 0. Similarly RHL at x equal to 0, RHL. So RHL equal to what? RHL equal to RHL, same procedure. RHL limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, this is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x if, this is equal to 0 if 0 plus is rational. So or we can write limit x tends to 0 plus minus x is equal to what? 0. So if 0 plus is irrational, so RHL equal to what? RHL equal to 0. What is f of 0? For rational, f of 0 is equal to 0. Since LHL equal to RHL equal to LHL is equal to LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0, which are 0. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now let's solve for at x not equal to 0. Now second part of the question, at x not equal to 0, at x not equal to 0, at x not equal to 0, let x tends to suppose a, x tends to suppose not equal to 0, let x at x is equal to, let at x equal to 0, here second part of the question, x not equal to 0, let x not equal to 0. Suppose at x is equal to a, where a not equal to 0 belongs to R. Now LHL at x is equal to a, limit x tends to a minus, limit x tends to a minus, here x, f of x, that is equal to if a minus is, a minus means a minus h, a minus h is, or simply you can write a minus is rational, then limit x tends to a minus f of x means what? X, which is equal to a. This is case 1, and another case, if a minus is irrational number, then limit x tends to a minus, here minus x, which is equal to minus a. Always limit is unique, so limit of the function is unique. We know limit of the function is unique here limit extends to a minus f of x does not exist, so f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to a. Similarly, another question. You have to do another question for your work. If f of x is equal to if f of x is equal to 1, if x is rational, 0 if x is irrational, prove that f of x is discontinuous. Prove that f of x is discontinuous at x. F of x equal discontinuous at x for all x not equal to 0. This is homework for you. Similar process you have to do. And another question. If the function is, another question, if f of x is continuous at x is equal to a, then find bit 1, limit x tends to a plus, limit x tends to question is limit x tends to 0 plus f of x plus f of x. What is the question here? This is element book question. F of a plus h, f of a plus h plus f of a minus h. Number 2 bits, limit x tends to 0 plus f of a plus h minus f of a minus h. This is the element book question. If f is continuous at x equal, then find limit x tends to 0 plus half of, this is half of, okay, half of, question is half of h plus, this is half of, question is half of, this question is from element book, very easy question. Number 1, limit x tends to 0 half of f of a plus h plus f of a minus h. Put h is equal to 0 here, 1 by 2 into, that is equal to f of a plus f of a, that is equal to 1 by 2 into f of a, goes cancel f of a. Second bit, limit h tends to 0 plus half of f of a plus h minus f of a minus h. So put h is equal to 0, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, here put h equal to 0, half of, right, this is equal to half of bracket f of a minus f of a. So this goes cancel, half into 0 is equal to 0. Clear? And another question, if another question, test for continuity, f of x is equal to bracketed x if x greater than 3, x greater than 3, two x, this is x greater than 3 means what is x greater than 3, x greater than 3, that is 3 less than equal to x less than suppose 4, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 3 minus something means 2, this is equal to 2. Here 2x minus 1, 4 less than x less than 5. At x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4. Right. This is equal to LHL at x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, limit x tends to 4 minus less than 4 means bracketed x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 bracketed 4 minus h. 4 minus h means 4 point some 3 point something. 3 point, this is 4 minus h means 3 point something. So answer is 3. And RHL, this is LHL, and RHL is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus, this is polynomial function 2x minus 1, and this is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. LHL not equal to RHL, so discontinuous. So f of x is discontinuous. The question is, the function f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus b if 0 less than x less than 2, 3s plus 2 if 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 4, 2ax plus 5b if 4 less than x less than equal to 8 is continuous on closed interval 0, 8. Then find a and b. As you know, the function is continuous on closed interval, then the function is continuous everywhere in the open interval of a comma b, and it is continuous at a from, it is continuous, suppose it is continuous 0, 8 means at every point 0, 8 the function is continuous. Now suppose consider it's 2 here, limit, since f is continuous, this is solution, f is continuous on 0, 8, so f is also continuous at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4, since 2 and 4 lies in the interval. Now for at x is equal to, suppose at x is equal to 2, then what is limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus is equal to f of x is equal to f of 2. So this, from this, that is the limit x tends to 2 minus 2 minus means less than 2. Less than 2 means x square plus ax, this is x square plus ax, this is square, ax plus b, and this is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus means greater than 2, 3s plus 2, and this is f of 2 means what? F of 2 means where equal to sign present here, so f of 2 equal to 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, this is equal to 8, and implies that here 4 plus a into 2, 2a plus b is equal to what? This is 8 also, and this is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 4, equation 1. Now again at x is equal to suppose 4, limit x tends to 4 minus means less than 4, 3x plus 2 is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus, limit x tends to 4 plus means what? 4 plus greater than 4 here, right? Greater than 4, that is equal to 2ax plus 5b is equal to f of 4. So this is equal to what? 3 into 4, 12 plus 2, 14 is equal to this is equal to 4 plus means x tends to 4 plus, right? 8a plus 5b, 8a plus 5b, that is equal to 8a plus 5b is equal to 14. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. That is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 4. 8a plus 4b is equal to 14. 8a plus 5b, this is 5b, clear? 8a plus 5b is equal to 4. So equation 1 into what? Equation 1 into 4. Equation 1 into 4, which is equal to 4a, that is 8a plus 4b is equal to 16. Equation 2 into 1, which is equal to 8a plus 5b is equal to 14. Subtract. Now subtract. This minus, this minus, this minus. So this goes cancel. B minus b is equal to what? Minus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to minus 2. Again, if b equal to minus 2, then that is equal to 2 into a minus 2 is equal to, then 2 into minus 2 is equal to what? This is equal to 4, and 2a is equal to 6, a is equal to 3. These are the answer. Value of a is equal to 3 and value of b is equal to minus 2. These are the answers. Okay. Find the values of a and b. Question number 2. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b so that the function f of x is equal to, x plus a root sin x if 0 less than x less than equal to x less than pi by 4, 2x cot x plus b if pi by 4 less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2, and finally this is equal to a cos 2x minus b sin x if pi by 2 less than x less than equal to pi is continuous on 0 comma pi. Similar question, so this is try yourself. Same question, similar questions, try yourself. Examine the continuity of or test the continuity of test the continuity of f of x is equal to bracketed x at x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 1 by 2, at x is equal to 1 by 2. Solution: f of x is equal to bracketed x, suppose at x is equal to minus 1. So LHL limit x tends to 1 minus bracketed x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus h. 1 minus h means 0 point something, bracketed 0 point something means what? 0. RHL limit x tends to 1 plus bracketed s, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h. 1 plus h means 1 point something, so it is 1. LHL not equal to RHL, so f of x is equal to bracketed x is discontinuous at x is equal to what? Minus 1. At x is equal to, this is 1, this is suppose 1, this is 1, at x is equal to 1. So this is equal to what? Discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Suppose this is minus 2, at x is equal to minus 2, clear? And at x is equal to minus 2. Now at x is equal to minus 2, at x is equal to minus 2, at x is equal to minus 2. So LHL equal to what? LHL is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 minus bracketed x, limit h tends to 0 bracketed minus 2 minus h, minus 2 minus 0 point something means minus 2 point something, bracketed minus 2 point something, minus 2 point something, this is equal to what? Minus 3. So this is equal to what? Minus 3. Now RHL limit x tends to minus 2 plus bracketed x, this is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 plus h. Minus 2 plus h means what is? Minus 1 point something, 1 point something, minus 1 point something is equal to what? Minus 2. So this is equal to minus 2. This is equal to what? This is equal to minus 3. So LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is equal to bracketed x is discontinuous at x is equal to minus 2. Now at x is equal to 1 by 2. Now at x is equal to 1 by 2. At x is equal to 1 by 2. So limit LHL. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus bracketed x, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. 1 by 2 minus h. 1 by 2 means 0 point something. Here 0.5 minus 0.00 like this up to 1 means 0.4 dot or something. So this is equal to what? 0. Again RHL is equal to what? RHL is equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus bracketed x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. 1 by 2 plus h. 0.5 plus something. 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.0000 like this one. This is 0 point something 5 something. So 0 point something means bracketed function what? 0. What is f of 0? Here f of 0 is equal to f of 0 equal to bracketed 0 is equal to 0. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. All are zeros. So f of x is continuous. F of x is, that is f of x is equal bracketed x is continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. From above 3 examples we conclude that greatest integer function is discontinuous at integers and continuous at non-integers. Note, from above 3 examples, bracketed x is continuous on integers, on non-integers and discontinuous on integers. Properties of continuity function. Properties of continuous function. Number 1, that is if f of x and g of x are two continuous functions, at x is equal to a, then number 1, f plus g, a plus or minus g are continuous at x is equal to a. Number 2, f into g is continuous at x is equal to a. Number 3, f by g is continuous at x is equal to a, provided g of a not equal to 0. Number 4, alpha into f is continuous at x is equal to a. Clear? Number 5, polynomial function is continuous everywhere. Polynomial function is continuous everywhere. Number 6, rational functions, that is px by qx, p of x by qx is continuous if qx not equal to continuous at x is equal to a, if q of a continuous if q of x not equal to 0. Number 7, identity function, constant functions, identity function, constant functions, sine function, cosine functions, e to the power x, e to the power x are continuous everywhere. Number 8, logarithm function, log function and log functions, tan function, that is tan x, logarithm function and other trigonometric functions, except sine and cos and cosine are continuous at their domains. Note, if f of x and g of x are continuous function, then the composite function GOF is continuous at x is equal to a. Note 2, if f of x plus g of x is continuous, then f of x g of x may be discontinuous. Right. Number 3, suppose the example here, f of x is equal to 1 plus root x bracketed x is discontinuous at x is equal to suppose 0. G of x is equal to 1 minus root x is also discontinuous at x is equal to 0. But f of x plus g of x is equal to 2 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Right. Find the point of discontinuity. Find the point of discontinuity. f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. We know solution. We know px by qx is discontinuous at qx is equal to 0. So that implies here f of x is equal to is discontinuous at x square minus 5x is plus 6 is equal to 0. That implies x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, 3 are the points of discontinuity. Find the points of discontinuity of the function f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 if x less than or equal to minus 3, minus 2x if minus 3 less than x less than 3, 6x plus 2 if x greater than or equal to 3. Here the doubtful points is minus 3 and plus 3. Now find at x is equal to suppose minus 3. Limit x LHL, left hand limit x tends to minus 3 minus 3 minus means what? This is mod x plus 3. We can write here limit h tends to 0 mod of minus 3 minus h plus 3. So this is equal to what? This is equal to limit h tends to 0, take minus common, 3 plus h mod plus 3. This is equal to limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h plus 3. This is equal to what? 6. 3 plus 0 plus 3 which is equal to 6. And RHL limit x tends to minus 3 plus greater than minus means 3 means this minus 2x and this is equal to minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. Now f of minus 3 equal to sign here present, so put minus 3 mod plus 3 is equal to 6. So f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now for x is equal at x is equal to 3, 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 LHL limit x tends to 3 minus less than 3 means minus 2x. So this is equal to minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. RHL limit x tends to 3 plus greater than 3 means 6x plus 2. This is equal to 6 into 3 plus 2, 18 plus 2 which is equal to 20. LHL not equal to RHL. So f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. Therefore the point of discontinuity is x is equal to 3. Find the points of discontinuity if f of x equal to bracket x square on 0 to 2. We know greatest integer function, greatest integer function is discontinuous on integers. So x square is equal to integer, suppose n, and this is equal to x is equal to root n. If n is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, n equal to 1, x is equal to 1, n equal to 2, x is equal to what? Root 2, n equal to 3, x is equal to root 3, n equal to 4, x is equal to what? 2. But x belongs to 0 to 2. From 0 to 2, this is not 0 is excluded, 2 is excluded. So this is excluded, and this is excluded, and this is excluded. So point of discontinuity are 1 root 2 root 3. Okay, examine the continuity of test the continuity of f of x is equal to gx minus 1 g of x minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1 at x is equal to 1, where g of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. So this is equal to what? Solution f of x is equal to gx minus g of 1 divided by x minus 1. Now g of x is equal to what? Here g of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. Therefore f of x is equal to what? Mod of x minus 1. G of 1 is equal to 0 divided by x minus 1. That is equal to f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now at x is equal to 1, LHL limit x tends to 1 minus mod of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, and this is limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h minus 1 divided by 1 minus h minus 1, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, minus 1 plus 1 goes cancel. This is mod of minus h by minus h, which is equal to minus 1. Again RHL equal to limit x tends to 1 plus mod of x minus 1 by x minus 1. So limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h minus 1 divided by 1 plus h minus 1. This is cancel. So limit h tends to 0, h by h is equal to what? 1. LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is the last video of the continuity, and next video we will discuss the differentiability, then derivative or differential coefficient like this. Thank you.